Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2019 21 SPX by Sea Ray. Step into the stern of the boat. We have a ski ladder. It's retractable. You can enter the boat from the back. We have sea deck across the back. We have a battery compartment here, storage compartment here. Good amount of storage in this boat. Nice feature of this boat too, on the sun pad has an automatic flip up sun pad, so when you're watching your kids on the back of the boat, you got a nice backrest. That's also the engine compartment as well. This boat comes with a 4.5 liter 250 horsepower MerCruiser engine. Lots of storage to starboard as well. We have a built-in cooler. We have another cooler over here. Ski locker below. We've got a lounge seat. Flips fore and aft. Baluster seating to starboard. Comes with a fusion stereo. This particular boat has all analog gauges. Depth finder. RPM speedometer. Oil pressure. Water temp. It comes with 2 USBs and a 12-volt charger. Your anchor and your nav lights. Front of the boat, we've got cup holders. We've got 2 speakers, grab handles. Nice finished storage up front as well. If this is a boat that you would like to take a closer look at, my name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.